Experiencing issues with receiving Google Drive notifications on your Android or iPhone? In this video, we've laid out the best solutions. Let's jump in. Primarily, ensure that you have granted notification permissions to the Google Drive app. For Android users, press and hold the Google Drive app icon and tap on the I icon. Tap on Notifications and turn on the toggle next to your email account. On iPhone, open the Settings app, scroll down to Drive, and in the Notification section, confirm that the toggle next to Allow Notifications is enabled. On the flip side, if your phone is set to Do Not Disturb mode, it will block notifications. To deactivate Do Not Disturb on Android, go to Settings and tap on Notifications. Under the General section, choose Do Not Disturb and tap on Turn Off Now. Alternatively, on your iPhone, pull down the Control Center from the top right corner of the home screen and tap on the moon icon to disable Do Not Disturb. Additionally, disabling Battery Saver can resolve the issue. On your Android device, access the Settings app, tap on Battery, go to Battery Saver, and switch off the toggle next to Use Battery Saver. For iPhone users, navigate to the Settings app, tap on Battery, and turn off the Low Power Mode toggle. Fingers crossed these solutions should address the issue. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and dive into one of these videos handpicked just for you.